to start off doing my brows, I like to line my eyebrows with concealer first. And I'm just using my Maybelline Superstay Concealer in medium. Now that I did that, I just blend it in. Now what I like to do is brush my hairs. And because I like a more natural brow, I just fill in where it's sparse. That's how I do my brow. Now I take my brow gel, and I have the e.l.f. brow gel, and I just brush it through my brows. And that's it. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my other brow off camera. So that's how I do my brows. It's super quick and super easy, only a few products. I'm going to be posting at least twice a week, and I will be back with more videos.